This video shows the individual functions of the Cara PrintCam 2.0 software. The Cara PrintCam 2.0 software works with a guided workflow. For those who want to work individually, there are many options available. For a quick and easy orientation of the build platform, you will find direct orientation options on the left side. If you move the mouse over them, the short description text opens. The same orientation options can also be found under the View tab. Under the File tab you can start a new project and use it to load STL files. With the function Open Project you can reload an already saved project and thus open a CPJX file. With Save or Save As you can save your project at any time. Now load the files you want to edit. You can do this either via File and New Project or Select Files. Assign the print material and the corresponding indication to your objects. This way your objects are already oriented according to the application guide and the idealized supports are available to you in the pre-selection. In the orientation step you can orientate your object according to your wishes. To do this, activate an object by clicking on it with the left mouse button. The object is active when it is shown in blue. Once activated, different colored circles and green arrows appear around the object. These circles and arrows can be used to move and rotate the objects. The object can be moved via the display field in the upper left area, both by entering numbers and by moving the sliders or clicking the arrows. Both 90-degree increments and single-degree changes can be made. Please make sure that no side wall is marked red, because then one or more objects are placed outside the print area. For objects that are positioned directly on the build platform, make sure that they are in full contact with the build platform. This is only the case if the complete surface is shown in gray or in blue if the object is activated. If this is not the case, first straighten the object and let it touch the building platform. If this does not achieve full contact, activate Allow -Z and then enter a -Z value in the height. In the next step, the support step, webs can also be added in front of the supports for stabilization. To do this, first select the thickness of the bar. You can also place more than one stabilization bar on an object. Place the bar by defining both ends with the left mouse button. In addition to the auto support function, all supports can also be placed individually. All supports that have already been placed can be changed again in this area. To do this, mark the corresponding support with the left mouse button. If you hold down the Control key, several supports can be activated and adjusted simultaneously. This opens a submenu on the left side. Here you can customize the individual areas of the support. It is also possible to save and recall an individually created support for later use. After saving, you can find it again in the drop-down menu. Now you can choose between your self-created and the preset supports and manually support your objects. With some objects, especially if they are placed directly on the building platform, the view of the area that is to be supplied with supports can be obscured. For this you will find the Tool Show section in the left menu bar. With this tool you can cut all objects in all three axes using the sliders. In this way, hollow objects can also be easily and clearly provided with supports from the inside. As soon as all objects have been provided with the necessary supports, switch to the slicing step and save the project under a name of your choice and start the slicing process. During the slicing process you can follow the progress on the screen. Afterwards you can choose whether you want to transfer your prepared objects directly to the printer or save them to the printer's library via USB stick.